everybody. We are going to, as soon as we find a scissor, we're going to unbox our planners. So, open the box. This box has been through heck, apparently. It sat in Salt Lake City for several days and finally got to New Jersey and stayed there for a few days. And it looks a little bit worse for the wear. And these are the 2022 planners. It says remove on arrival. Why, I don't know. Okay, there we go. So this is actually the last undated Passionizing planner. Can you see it? Yeah, good. Okay. This is the one for singular folk or folk who want a slightly thinner book with more exercises in it than this year's planner. This one has, it's not made for plurals necessarily, so it has some interesting stuff in it that you might recognize from the 2021 planner. There are things that stayed in, like the value exercise. This is the older value exercise, not quite as deluxe as the newer one. Because it's undated, we actually left the quarterly plan blank, which we didn't do in the one we made now. We actually put months on them, which may have been a mistake. I don't know. Then the life assessment for singular folk or external focus. Can you see it? You can see part of it. Okay. And the explanation and so on. It's a little different than, because it's, I think it was 2017, so it had several more measures of evolution after this. This one has relaxation bingo, which didn't make it into the plural planners. And what else? The relaxation bingo explanations. We should probably take these and put them in the planner course, just because. All right, so that's the Passionizing planner. Here is the undated planner. They all have stickers, so I'll have to remove them. The undated planner, making sure it's on screen. So this is the latest evolution. Everything in this one is front-loaded, including the monthly reviews, and then it's just going to be the weekly planning pages that you can date from there. The quarterly plans do have months in them. I didn't do them blank. I probably should have. I don't know. Maybe the next iteration we will do that. Has an index in the back. It does have the 5 principles of multiplicity and the United Front overview, process overview in the front. I think the only other exercise in here is the self-care menu, which is right after the self-care menu, right after the safety plan. But this has the safety plan in it too. And then, I don't know why they put these on the top. They don't know how to package, because they all have stickers on the back. Anyway, this is the dated planner. So, the months are actually, the monthly reviews are nestled inside the planner rather than all front-loaded in the beginning. Has the same stuff in it as the undated planner, but with dates. Amazing, right? And then these are the spiral-bound versions. So we are debating for us whether we want to use the undated planner for 2022 and our partner get the dated planner. He wanted the hardcover, so he would be getting this along with, along with the undated spiral, which he would take like on camping trips or dog sits or whatever and do his writing and then transfer it into the dated planner. I think we're going to do it the other way around. I think we're going to, maybe we will use the spiral this year. I don't know. Anyway, so we'll have an undated and the spiral. And they will have the undated spiral and the hardcover dated planner. We'll figure it out one way or another. So that's it. Those are the planners. They look good. It looks like it printed right. That is mainly what we are concerned about, is did it print correctly? How did they come out? They look good. Thank you.